Hi guys, today we'll be showing you fuse box location on this Dodge Charger. This one's 2013, but they're similar this kind of year. So first thing what you want to do is I'll show you where's OBD port if you need to plug in the computer, or for DQ it'll be on the driver's side under. And when you look down, it's right in here. That's your OBD port location. And to get to your first fuse box location, you have to open the hood. Latch is right here. To open, latch is right there. Your first fuse box location right here. To open it, you just have to click these. And that's location of them. Close it back up. You just have to line it up. And to get to your second one, it'll be in the trunk. Also, your tires located right here, and the battery. And that's your second fuse box location. To open it, just click that. That's your location. And that's the puller. And there's your fuses. Close it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.